no smoke at all. It's one of the nice things. You know, they sing that earlier.
Yeah.
That shit worked. Had 100% worked. 2 bottles. Maybe
308
one would have done it, but yeah,
308,000 miles. Nissan Altima.
Still kicking it.
Still kicking it.
Look, show this. Temperature. That's crazy. Shit worked. Huh?
Yep, it worked. No smoke whatsoever.
Look. No smoke.
We've been around the block, 2 bottles.
No smoke. That's crazy.
No sputtering, nothing.